Next up we have Mike D. Actually going to finish off that case. Last three. Box 88, 15, and Michael Jordan. Not that he's in here, but he could be. If he could ever work a deal with Panini and get out of his upper deck deal. I want to say he owns a percentage of the company for that deal. So that'd be a hard deal to get out of. I guess unless you sell off your percentage. Alright. One pack. Two pack Shakur. And 3-pack. Okie dokie. No logo man. I don't think there's been a logo man this whole case. That's good. Alright, number to 99, Ty Lawson. Number to 99, Alvin Adams. I think that'll be at 99. Chris Bosh. Jersey. That one's numbered to 99. Dual jersey, Drew Holiday. Drew Holiday dual, that one's to 99. Karl Malone, single jersey. There we go. That one's numbered to 99. First autograph, Cedric Maxwell, the pig. Numbered to 149. Autograph, Bill Lambier. And that one's numbered to 149. And that's pretty nice. You just got his triple patch. Now you get their triple autograph. Blake Griffin, Eric Gordon, Mo Williams. Just got the triple patch of that earlier. 21 of 25. Our first logo man. Dual logo man. Alright, we have Michael Cooper. That one's to 99. To 99, Big Ben Wallace. Jersey, Devin Harris, 99. Tim Duncan. Jersey. That one's to 99. Your dual logo man is Mitch Richmond. Jersey logo man. And Monte Ellis. Jersey. Eric Gordon. Autograph. That one's 149. Autograph of Christian Laettner. Status. That one's numbered 1 of only 10. Short print. First one stamped. And the last one is Flag Patches 29. Flag Patches. Number 29 is Hedo Turkoglu. Hedo Turkoglu Flag Patch. Uh-oh, another logo man. 4 boxes, no logo man, 2 with. We have Elvin Hayes, Brandon Roy, to 99, Steve Nash jersey, Nene, 99 jersey, Nene. Dwayne Wade Crusade double jersey, that one's 99. Autograph Reigning Threes Channing Frye. That one's 99. On card, Roy Hibbert. Crusade autograph to 99. And your dual logo man, numbered to 99. Grab it. Marcus Camby. Logo man autograph. And Chief has his hand up. Robert Parrish. Dual logo man, dual autograph. That'll do it there, Hooper. Mike, appreciate it. Get on the way, buddy. See ya.